In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Roblox assets are not loading properly. What we want to do is we want to find our Roblox right here, or you can search for it down here, then right click on it, properties, compatibility, and activate these two. After that, try and launch it and see if it works now. If it still doesn't, come here and search for run, type in percentage local app data percentage, press enter, and then find the temp folder. Open it up, and in here you want to look if you have a Roblox folder. If you have a Roblox folder, you want to delete it. If you don't, then you can just close this one down. Then as the last step, what you should do is try and come here and search for Microsoft Store. In here, what you want to do is you want to download Roblox from the Microsoft Store instead of from the website. So come in here and search for Roblox, and then you want to find this one, click on it and download this one. It's exact same game. This one is just from the Microsoft Store, and you're just gonna log into your account like normal. Now, if you're already using the Microsoft Store, try and download it from the browser. So that's about it, guys. It's really simple, and I really hope any of these helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.